Good afternoon, Blanders. Pinay-Blandan Dubai. Proud to be Pinoy. Nasaan ako? Hi, Mami. Hi, Tita Res. Hi, Ate Ana. Yes, andito ako sa Burjuman Center. Ayan. Kasi may ano dito, palabas sa Independence Day natin. At andito ang mga tagatag. Katitinin natin, sisilipin natin kung ano yung palabas. Parang malabo yung ano. Ayan. Tapos birthday ni Maria Maldita. So surprise natin siya. May dala akong flowers. Sinabi ko kay Keribel pupunta ako. Kaya ano, surprise natin siya. Ayan. Hi, Mami. Hi, Ate Ana. Hi, Tito Renz. Hi, Apple Gutierrez. Hi, Tingto. Hi, Rose. Hi, Juliana. O, sa Adriano Sapio, Edwin, Princess. Sa aking mga apo. Parang malabo yung ano ko. Sa kaya ditong banda. Hahanapin natin. Ayan. Sinabi ko kay Keribel. Sabi ni Keribel, kung matutuwa yun, mother. Masu-surprise siya. Wala siyang alam. Kasi nga may palabas. So, parang wala lang. Birthday niya, busy sila. Yun yata, o. Ayan, o. Nandito yata. Nandito dala kong flowers. Siningi ko kanina sa flower shop. Sabi ko, birthday ng friend ko. Ito nga dito nga. Ayan, o, merong banda. Parang ano lang eh. Ayan, o. May show. Ang mga banda. Baby. Independence Day show. Nakita ko na sila, nakita nyo. Hindi kasi may ano eh. Daming tao.
day. Of course, Consul General Marco Angeles, good evening to you, sir. Vice Consul Alea Maria Gina, hello po, and Vice Consul Kenneth Joseph Jimeno.
Guys, palakpakan mo natin. Let's give a round of applause.
Magsigawang palakpakan po, of course, for our special guest.
And joining us are three amazing Filipino schools in the UAE. Let's acknowledge the schools and, of course, the heads of their schools. The managing director, owner of Far Eastern Private School Al Shaba. Shout out Far Eastern School Al Shaba. Are you here? Yes. What about Far Eastern Private School Halwan? Are you here? What about New Filipino Private School? Are you here? All right. Shout out as well to their owners and managing director, Madam Maria Teresa Sales Al-Ansari and Sir Ahmed Al-Ansari, as well as their assistant managing director for Far Eastern Private School Shaba, Far Eastern Private School Hawan, and New Filipino Private School, Ma'am Nawal Al-Ansari and Ma'am Crystal Ann Siping-Ay.
We also have the marketing director of Far Eastern Private School Al Shaba, Far Eastern Private School Halwan, and New Filipino Private School, Sir Hamdan Al-Ansari and Ma'am Lena Salafato, and we have the school principal of Far Eastern Private School Al Shaba, Miss Mary Jane P. Onato.
And of course, the school principal of Far Eastern Private School Hawan, Mr. Marlon Rita, and school principal of New Filipino Private School, Miss Nuestro.
We would also like to acknowledge school activity coordinator for Far Eastern Private School Al Shaba, Mr. Abdul Bugula Makhalilay, and of course, Ms. Veronica Nader, school activity coordinator for Far Eastern Private School Halwan, and lastly, school activity coordinator of New Philippine Private School, Mr. Jokris Ragasa.
Yes, and again, welcome to the one of Borjuman. And for today, we will have our grand quiz for none of the brightest students from all three schools. Are you ready? Are you ready? And of course, prizes worth 10,000 dirhams, and the winning school will get pairs of tickets to any Yas Island theme park. And of course, yung mga nanonood po will also get prizes sa mga magsusuporta. So, abangan niyo po yan mamaya.
So para po sa mga nag-aabang dyan, don't you worry, hindi po kayo mapag-iiwanan.
Yes. Basta palakasan ng magsigawan mo.
Yeah.
Pero syempre, before we get to all of that, let's give a big thank you to Bergman. Maraming salamat sa Bergman.
Thank you, Bergman.
You know, they would also like to thank you guys. Nagpapasalamat po ang Bergman because you guys have had constant love and enthusiasm for the mall. Marami po exciting videos playing across the mall and car park screens. If you watch them, you're going to see how the mall is transforming for you. So they're committed and are working towards giving you an amazing shopping experience.
Wow.
Sa Bergman Mall.
Wow. Honestly, Bergman was my mall before because I lived nearby. And you know what? It is also the third season of Bergman Street Food Festival on Level 3. Guys, so come on and experience the vibrant flavors and diverse cultures that make street food so special. Now we have 20 amazing vendors offering a delightful array of tastes from India, Philippines, Mexico, Pakistan, Korea, Japan, and so much more.
And don't forget to shop in your favorite Bergman Mall. And guess what? Until the 19th of June, if you shop worth 300 dirhams in Bergman, you can get a chance to win 1,000 dirhams voucher daily. 1,000 dirhams voucher.
Wow! Gusto ko yan. How to join?
So what are you waiting for? Get shopping and participate in the digital raffle draw. The more you shop, the more chances you have to win.
Yes, and we would like to thank our amazing and generous sponsors for this event. Thank you, Mary Brown, Cafe Kokosam, Basel Watch, Our Choice Expression Style, Flormar, Busini, Kyochin, Hala Shawarma, Samsung, Essenzi, Arrow, Color Plus, and Popeyes.
Nando's Sightsavers, Sightsaver Optics, best prices in town, specialized in myopia control for your kids and keratoconus management.
Center Point, and Viva, and
Granviti.
Yes.
So, thank you so much to everybody here at Bergman Mall for joining us. We're going to be having a lot of fun tonight, but of course, we have to formally start this event.
Before we do,
How do we do that?
we have very special VIPs in the
Yes.
crowd right now. And huwag natin sayangin yung opportunity.
Of course.
So, we'd like to invite on stage our Consul Honorable Marford Amenes. Give
Let's
us
give him a round of
Give
applause.
us a round of applause.
Thank you. Thank you, Pepperwood, Louie, Maria Malvina, and Andy Sal. Hindi ko na-memorize yung pangalan niya, sorry. Si Pepperwood, kilala ko yan. So, magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Sabay. Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. So, this is a quiz show. This is a quiz show. But I have something to tell you, actually. Well, let me first acknowledge the different schools that are participating. For Far Eastern Private School, Al-Shabaab. Can I hear from you? The New Filipino Private School. Far Eastern Private School, Al-Halwan. So this afternoon is an ear-shattering event. Ear-shattering event. Andun kami kanina naano na rin yung aming ears. Pero because we are a dynamic community here in the UAE. The Philippines has a strong presence here in the UAE. Kids, do you know how many Filipinos already are here in the UAE? Is it part of the quiz? No. I will tell you, 1 million Filipinos are already here in the UAE. And of those 1,700,000 are here in Dubai, in the Northern Netherlands. That's how strong the Philippine presence here is in the UAE. And that's because the Filipinos are much loved by the UAE. Just by merely the presence of 3 schools here, that means we have such a very strong presence of Filipinos here. And do you know why the Filipinos are much loved here in the UAE? For the past 52 years that the UAE has been in existence, we Filipinos have already been here from the very beginning. And many of you, I don't know if it's part of the quiz, but architect June Palafox came here in 1977, designed, part of the team that designed Dubai Municipality. And he was only 26 years old at the time. He's a Filipino. So we are an important part of the history of the UAE. And from the very beginning of the UAE, Filipino architects, Filipino engineers, and people from all professions have already descended and came down to the UAE to become an important part of this country. And now that we are celebrating this year the 126th anniversary of Philippine independence, we are actually also celebrating the 50th anniversary of Philippines-UAE relationship, diplomatic relationship. And also, for your information, this year we are celebrating the 20th anniversary of the establishment of the Philippine Consulate in Dubai. So we are 20 years old. That just goes to show you how much the Filipinos are loved here in the UAE. And if I can recall correctly, Minister Al-Nayan, the Minister of Tolerance, said in an Independence Day ceremony last weekend that the UAE cherishes, you know that word? Cherishes the Filipinos. It's a very deep, it has a very deep meaning that is even beyond love. When you cherish someone, you enjoy being with that person. You treasure, you value that person. So we Filipinos are cherished here in the UAE. And we are contributing to the dynamic tapestry of multicultural community here in the UAE. And I hope that everyone realizes how important you are. So ikaw lahat ng Pilipino, mabuhay! Happy Independence Day. Thank you to Burjuman for taking the step of inviting the Filipino community to take part in this activity. This shows how much Filipinos are loved. Thank you to TAG FM, TAG 91.1 FM for also taking part in this. You are very important and special in this country, and that's why we value our presence here in this country. Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas!
Trivia question, 10 points. Okay?
And then for the crowd, no, after every 10 sets of students, magtitake nga tayo ng break, and that's where we will want to see kung asa ng mga crowd, mga tao sa crowd na bibigyan natin ng prizes.
So there will be, ano tayo dito ilang set to, kasi there are a lot of you. Pero ito, after the 36, guys, all schools pakinggan nyo to, if there will be a tie, magkakaroon tayo ng tie breaker mamaya. Dun, dun, dun. Alright?
Tapos dapat pipili sila ng representative para mag-represent ng school for that one final tiebreaker.
So syempre, dahil ito yung first set natin, kilalanin muna natin ang ating mga representatives. Dito ako sa kabilang.
May question na
Para kabahan. Hi, again, what is your name?
My name is Kyle Nathan,
Hi, Kyle Nathan. What grade are you in?
grade 7.
Maraming supporters si Kyle. Yung buong school niya, gano'n. How did you prepare for this, Kyle?
I reviewed these reviewers and the old books since grade 5.
Wow! So grade 5, 6, 3 grades yun! Parang, wow! How good to be young.
O, dito naman tayo. What's your name?
My name is Gerla Contento po.
Sabi niya, you. Oh, Gerlan Convento, how old are you?
I am 14! I'm Salva!
Ay, anong grade? Ready ka na ba?
Yes!
Paano ka nag-prepare for this competition? How? How? Nag-YouTube ka ba? Nag-Wikipedia ka ba? Nagbasa ka ng libro? What?
I took notes from YouTube and Wikipedia as well.
Pag new generation learner, Wikipedia at saka YouTube.
Hoy, inaaral ko rin ng Wikipedia pag nag-research ako sa show. Wow! Huwag niyo pong sasabihin yun sa boss ko. Nasa likod ko lang. And of course, from the New Philippine Private School, kasi for Eastern Private School, we go a long way. Long way ganon. We go a long way. And then, okay, so, what is your good name?
My name is Franz Luis Luis.
Ang laki naman ang pangalan. Wait lang, I was shocked, guys. Are you sure you're in what grade? Grade 10 lang. How did you prepare for this?
With the help of everyone here, we gathered our knowledge together in order to understand something.
Are you looking into going into radio in the future?
Or maybe, choir, beatboxing.
Choir, oo, diba? Do you sing? Ay, he does! I'm sorry.
We have a band in our school, so I'm the main singer in our school.
He's the lead singer of
What do you sing? Kasi si Pepper Lou, ano siya? Naghanap siya
Ano si Pepper Lou?
Naghanap siya ng mga band.
Yes, actually for my weekend show, we do have bandang hapon. So, if your band has your own songs, you can contact me. Gusto mo yung coolness and circle? I'll send you the
One word answer, so
sample.
rockstar na rockstar.
Oo eh. Okay, thank you so much. Nung kinabahan ako kinabahan naman ako para sa kanila, parang ganon. Pero gusto ko yung Andy, how they all three schools prepared not just as individuals, di ba? Pero as the entire school. Kasi kita-kita naman natin ang support, di ba? Ng bawat school.
Yes, sobra. Lalo na yung sino ba yung, tignan nga natin, sino yung, sisigaw nila yung name nila.
Okay.
And then the school cheers as loud as they can. Tara natin.
O, sige nga.
Sige nga, ikaw nga already ha, tignan natin.
O, meron ba kayong chant? Like, alam mo,
Bakit siya po?
Ayoko magbanggit ng school. Medyo yung generation ko lalabas.
Okay?
Okay,
Already, sigaw mo niyo ha.
Yeah.
Oh, sige! 1, 2,
Jordan! Kinabahan ako sa kanya. Girl, in fairness to you. Alright, are you ready? Or you shout your name and then guys, do not disappoint, ha? Alright. Ay, gusto ko yung nag-prepare siya doon. Okay. Cut! Gusto ko yun. Parang ganito yung ano nito.
Paano sila nakapag-organize ng ganun kami?
Hindi ko rin alam. Feeling ko, nag-prepare na yan sila school activity coordinator. Pag tinanong tayo, ha? I-ready natin to, ha? Ganun.
Ito ang pinaka-excited.
Paano ba? Paano ba? So, ano ba? Or ano, we're just being, not just looking, ha?
We love your voice.
Don't cancel us.
Sana nagiging yung voice ko. Okay. Ready? 1, 2.
Your one and only friend!
Teka lang, parang feeling ko fans club to. Yung totoo, guys. Iba yung cheer nila. Parang may halang kilig.
Gusto ko malaman kung ano yung lunch nila bago sila nagpunta dito.
Okay. Pahingin naman kami nung kinain nyo. Pero I think, are we ready? Okay. So ganito. Sample lang. Sample? Sample question? Diba? Hindi, ano ba? Diba? This is his grade 7.
100 years Dodger and Ascensi Berlin back. Very rewarding to shop at Bergman Mall. Always rewarding to shop at Bergman Mall. Okay, next, Brit Louie Da Costa.
Oh, she's going to this side naman, guys. Itong side na to, yan para matas.
Tingnan natin kung gaano kayo kapitoy. Philippine money. Pesos. Pesos? Pesos. No.
Ayun na.
Pesos. What's your name?
I'm Cedric.
Cedric, congratulations. I will keep the 500. Thank you very much. Very
Wait lang, madam. May gusto lang akong tanongin dito kasi nung sinabi natin Philippine money, si ate kinonfirm niya pa sa akin, peso? Peso? Ano po ba ang ibang dapat money?
Ano ba lang kayo? Papel or yung coin?
Okay.
Congratulations, you
Sana pinakita niyo po yung friends.
Okay, let's go back to the back. Okay, isa pa. Bring Louie Da Costa. Tingnan natin kung meron kayo nito, ha? Ate, bakit may dala ka? Are you so prepared? Are you flying out? Ano ba? She always has her passport with her now. You win 100 years to stand the Bergman Mall and you also get a goodie bag from Ascensi Bergman. Okay, next. Ano sa pala? Pero mamaya huwag kayo mag-alala dahil marami pa tayong ipag-ibigay na paparemyo.
And of course, Bergman would like to thank its customers for their constant love and enthusiasm for the mall. And there are some of the mall is transforming for you. They are committed and are working towards giving you an amazing shopping experience at Bergman. Salamat naman Bergman Mall for giving us always the best shopping experience and for hosting this event.
Yes, and again, maraming salamat po sa ating amazing and generous sponsors for this event. Mary Brown, Cafe Kapisan, Basil Watch, Our Choice, Expression Style Beauty Art, Hussein Reaction, Hana Shawarma, Samsung, Essenzi, Arrow, Color Plus, Popeyes, and Nagbus, Sightsavers, Best Prices in Town, specializing myopia control for your kids, and Marathoners Management, Center Point, Biba, and Rock Green. I just want to say, by the way, when you go shopping here in the favorite Bergman Mall, you shop for 300, you get a chance to win 1,000. Tingnan nga natin. Testing nyo, testing
What is the square root of char?
Kahit lesson, hindi na alam. Hindi na rin
Hindi ko rin alam. So I'm not gonna ask it anymore because you might answer something and I don't know the answer.
Kaya po kami nag-mascom. Hindi po namin kaya ang math. Pero pagdating po sa pera, swelduhan, count-count, kaya po natin yan.
Ayan, ito, ikaw. What's your favorite subject?
Math din po.
Math din. Wow, grabe.
Grabe nga.
ikaw ba may kilala kang may favorite naman?
You know what? Yung gusto ko dapat tanongin, like the question I wanted to ask one day, si Matt po, muntik na lumabas sa bibig ko talaga ng why? Why? No, but that's good kasi analytical and they're really good at problem solving. Are you good at problem solving? Because I'm not sure.
Magaling siya, Peps. Kaya-kaya na siguro doon.
No, but that's good. That's good. And of course, no, since you are in different grades, we made sure naman, and for everyone then, we made sure that the questions are trivia questions talaga. So it's more general knowledge. And kung yung Philippine trivia question, hindi nyo alam, guys, why? Ganon.
Doon talaga ako pinaka-excited eh.
Oo.
Looking at the kids.
Exactly.
Kung gaano kalalim yung mga pagkakaalam nila sa mga Philippine trivia.
Yung pag tinanong ka ba natin, how many islands are there in the Philippines? What do you answer, Anisal? Ay, may nagtataasan. Hindi. May dapat na sagot dyan. Na tayong generation lang natin yung makakalam.
Ano?
High tide or low tide? You know it.
True, high tide or low tide. Ang tanong,
Yun ba yung sagot nyo? Hindi. That's where the generation stops.
Peps, ikaw pa ay nakalibot na sa buong Pilipinas.
You know what? Gusto ko po talagang Alright guys, please go up to the stage. Quickly. Thank you. Okay, ready? You ready? Okay. Question. Where is the Eiffel Tower located? Is it in Paris, France, or Wales, France, or Nice? Okay? Lahat sila alam ko. Tingnan natin ha. Is it yes? They all got it correct. The answer is Paris, France. Okay, what is the scoreboard, Andy Sal?
Pagkikit, lahat 20 apiece.
Okay, we will find out if they can still continue to...
So ayan, uwi na ako. Sabi ko, mauna na ako umuwi kasi nga, di ba, kuyot ako kagabi. Tapos pag tuwa si surprise daw sa sabi ni Maria Maldita. So ayan, dito na ako magte-thank you for watching para pag uwi ko may upload ko na bago ako matulog. Okay? Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Pinoy Blend in Dubai. Proud to be Pinoy. Eat well, live well. God bless you all. I miss you, mommy. Mwah, 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 mwah. See you in my next vlog. Hi, Ate Ana. Hi, Tito Renz. Hi, Mami. Hi, Apple Gutierrez. Hello sa inyong lahat. See you on my next vlog.